Welcome back to the channel. Enerdrive have sent us their new Voyager Light Bar upgrade kit now. Today we're just going to do a real quick install video on how to put this into your Voyager. Let's talk about what's in the kit. So you get a full replacement panel. You also get all the screws in case you've lost a few in the Voyager for whatever reason. You get the complete wiring diagram, a new fuse block. Again, they come with the screws and a new switch as well. So everything that you need comes with this kit, which is very, very cool. So first things first, I'm going to take this whole cover off just so I can show you where the switches all go and to and from. So you'll want a 7mm spanner or a 7mm socket. And let's take these nuts and bolts apart. Right, with all the screws taken out, nuts and bolts taken out, we'll take that panel out and away. It's a direct replacement. So you can see that's the new panel. It fits absolutely perfectly. With the light bar swapped over and in its place, you'll see in the back, there's two cables, both been terminated. The negative has a ring terminal on it and the positive has a spade. Now the install actually couldn't be easier. We go over to our Voyager and you'll see that there's the factory switch up here. And what we're going to do literally is just reach in behind and push that factory switch out. And you'll see there's a spare spade connector there. So we're going to put the positive onto that. And then on our negative bus bar here, we're just going to find one of the terminals that we want to use. I'm going to use the second one in and we're going to connect our negative up to that. That's it. It's as simple as that. So let's get that done. So the first thing you want to do, we want to connect the negative ring terminal just to any one of this negative bus bar. I'm just going to choose the second one in. Do be careful when you're taking these screws off because as happened to me in the past, they can fall down into the depths of the machine and they'll be terribly tricky to get back out again. All right, so let's get that. Simply put our ring terminal on top and let's put it back in again over the top of the existing one. So you see what I've done, there's the light bar, negative coming down, simply straight into the bus bar, right there. So what we want to do now is get our positive from the light bar. Let's just poke it up through this hole here and grab it. And then all we want to do is connect it to the existing spade terminal that is there. And that is it. So let's just poke that switch back into it, clicks. We'll turn it on. And our light bar works. All right, so now we know it works. Let's button it back up and we'll have a look at it.
That's the install done. Pretty easy install really. It's 2 wires and a bus bar. Now, the good thing about this is it is always on. It's in the Voyager. It's a handy little light to put on. It goes white and it also goes red. The red's actually, in my opinion, much better for bugs, but I way prefer it now to the amber light. I've had the red and white on the canopy doors for a wee while now. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope this helped you install and we'll see you in the next one.